Very good, very tired, very happy. If these are the words you use every day in English, this video was made for you. Today, I will teach you 18 powerful words that completely replace the word very. Stay until the middle. There's a quiz for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another awesome video. I am Henry, and on this channel I help you speak English with more confidence and fluency. Very is not wrong, but it is lazy English. Today we will learn stronger, smarter words that native speakers actually use. First, very happy. Here are three much stronger words: overjoyed, ecstatic, and elated. Overjoyed means extremely happy. Example, she was overjoyed when she received the job offer. Next, very tired. Three words, and each one has a slightly different meaning. Let us look at them.
Exhausted, drained, and worn out.
Now, very cold. Two great options: freezing and bitter cold. It is absolutely freezing outside today. Very scared. Two powerful words: terrified and petrified. Petrified means so scared that you literally cannot move. Very angry. Two best options: furious and livid. Example, my mom was absolutely livid when I came home at 2 in the morning. Quick quiz time. I will give you the sentence and you fill in the blank. Pause the video if you need time to think. Ready? Question 1. After working 12 hours, she was completely... The answer is exhausted, drained, or worn out. All three are correct. Write your score in the comments. 3 out of 3 gets a trophy from me. Very good. 3 excellent options: excellent, outstanding, and superb. Your work is absolutely outstanding. Very bad, awful, dreadful, terrible. That restaurant was absolutely dreadful. I will never go back. Now, rapid fire. Very big, enormous or massive. Very funny, hilarious. Very beautiful, stunning or gorgeous. Very boring, tedious. Before you delete very from your vocabulary, one important tip. Very is fine in casual conversation, but in formal writing or presentations, use your power words. That's when they make the biggest difference. And that is today's lesson. You now know 18 powerful words. Comment below. Which word was your favorite? Mine is livid. I just love the sound of it. If this lesson helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.